CFA August 2026 candidates, you guys have your exams going on, and I have something very, very, very important to tell you. You have to hear this before your exam, whether you're CFA level 1, CFA level 2, or CFA level 3. So keep watching. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you are doing good. Today's video is especially for my CFA August 2026 viewers. You guys have your exams ongoing. Pretty much some of you all have it starting in the next week, whatever it is, right? And I have something very, very, very important. Like I feel personally, and I make this video for all attempts, that this is the most important thing you should know before you give your exam. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very nice people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay. First of all, exams are coming, anxiety is speaking, stress is happening, little excitement is also happening, all of which is a great feeling. If you're feeling all of that, you're in a great space. I always say this because यार डर उसी को लगता है जिसने मेहनत की होती है, right? If you haven't worked hard, why would you feel scared? You only feel scared that my efforts will go to waste, my money will go to waste in spite of the efforts I put. So clearly you have done something right. So it's good that you're feeling all of this. Having said that, of course, you need to manage it correctly. Do not let it overpower your senses. ये पता है कुर्सी की आवाज़ आ रही है, टी I've realized. Anyway, okay. So for all of y'all, CFA level 1 particularly for the people who are starting out, CFA level 3 for the people who are ending, and CFA level 2 जिनको बोल के डरा दिया है that इससे ज़्यादा एग्जाम डिफिकल्ट आपको मिलेगा नहीं. It is a feeling so damn unique. There are 100 million voices in your head, 100 million voices around you. Today only somebody told me, not for the August exam, but कोई दूसरा, कि somebody told this person कि तुझसे तो नहीं होगा CFA. And I'm like, you can't say that to anybody. आपको क्या पता किससे होगा या किससे नहीं होगा. And I want to come here and tell this specifically to you guys because I know कि आपके मन में शायद ये आवाज़ आ रही होगी, तुझसे नहीं होगा भाई, छोड़ दे, क्यों किया, क्या फंस गए. आई एम श्योर ये आवाज़ आ रही होगी. एंड आपको ही आपके मन को बताना पड़ेगा कि कैसे नहीं होगा. 100% होगा. You know, this exam, it is truly not easy. And I'm not talking about the syllabus, guys. वो तो कोई भी कर लेता है. It is not easy because it requires so much more than just an IQ from you. It requires a certain sense of discipline, certain sense of compromise, even if it's as small as यार मैं मूवी देखने नहीं गया क्योंकि मैं CFA के लिए पढ़ रहा था. Compromise is a compromise. It could be the smallest of things. It could be the fact कि आपको पता है कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने वो कैसे पैसे निकाल के आपको दिए हैं या आपने कैसे वो पैसे निकाल के उस एग्ज़ाम के लिए दिए हैं. It is not easy, right? So the fact that you're giving this exam is already a very, very, very big deal. You are already way ahead than so many other people who do not possibly have the courage or Bhagwan na kare, the means to be where you are. And anybody who's giving a reattempt for any of the levels, bhai, double guts to you guys. Because इसको एक बार देना ही इतना hard होता है ना, giving this again is like, it takes a whole level of like extreme courage. And the fact that you're doing it, it truly means that you're already a winner in the game of life. So please don't let anyone, don't let yourself tell you that. And I'm not crying. Seriously. So yeah, that is what I want to tell you. This exam is really, really, this exam is really, really, really not easy because it takes so much from you that day. The amount of pressure that is there in your head before the exam, the amount of pressure that is in your head, nobody acknowledges it. People just think एक exam ही तो है, what's the big deal? भाई बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी deal है for you because आपने उसमें efforts डाले हैं, because आपने उसमें अपना time डाला है. Yes, it is a big deal जो शायद you will never be able to explain to the other person. A person who has not given a competitive exam will not understand this feeling. I have truly understood this in so many years. But having said that, it is very important for you to keep explaining to yourself that it is an exam. Whatever the result may be, life will continue. Right? अगर आप पास हो गए, I hope you do. I hope all your, attempts come to life, or all your efforts come to life rather. But eventually, life will pick its normal pace. कुछ ज़्यादा drastic change नहीं होगा. Similarly, when you fail, God forbid, you will feel hurt, it will sting, but eventually life goes on. That's just the harsh reality of it, right? So don't let the fear of the future, tab kya hoga, exam ke din kya hoga, what if I panic, what if I do this, don't let that eat the moment. जो होगा वो तो होना ही है, right? Whatever you could have done, you have already done. This is for all of you all. Whatever efforts had to be put in is already done. Frankly, अभी आप जो भी कर रहे हो, लास्ट का 1 week for level 2 candidates जिनका 26th अगस्त तक एग्जाम है, लास्ट 1.5 week, ऑलमोस्ट 2 weeks, जो भी आप अभी करो, इट्स फ्रैंकली जस्ट मेकिंग योर सेल्फ हैप्पी कि से आई एम स्टडिंग, से आई एम रिवाइजिंग, बट वट एवर हैड टू बी डन इज ऑलरेडी डन, ट्रूली. सो हैव सम फेथ इन योर एफर्ट्स कि हाँ भाई मैं कर चुका हूँ, एंड हैव सम फेथ इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कि दैट डे इट विल सपोर्ट यू. इवन इफ यू फील लाइक आई कांट रिमेंबर, मैं भूल रहा हूँ, दैट एग्जाम इज डिजाइन दैट वे कि आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली ये लगेगा. दिस इज फॉर ऑल लेवल्स. यू हैव टू हैव सम फेथ कि आई विल रिमेंबर, मैंने अच्छे से किया है. एंड नहीं भी कोई चीज़ याद आई तो उसको कैसे डील करना है वो तो मैं इस वीडियो के एंड में बताई हुई. बट लाइक आई सेड, हैव सम फेथ इन योर एफर्ट्स, नो what you have done, accept what you have done, accept what you have not done, and then give the exam. It makes a difference. And like I said, don't let anyone else, don't even let yourself demean कि शायद मुझसे नहीं होगा, क्योंकि भाई होगा. ये नहीं होगा तो ऑलरेडी आप ऑलरेडी इतनी बड़ी चीज़ का आप एग्जाम दे हो, इट्स ऑलरेडी अ बिग थिंग. यू आर ऑलरेडी अ डैम विनर इन द गेम ऑफ लाइफ. आप सोच ही नहीं सकते आप कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग इंसान हो भाई. आई एम जेलस, ट्रूली. ओके, प्लीज़ 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 validate your efforts, appreciate yourself because very few people will do it for you, and accept कि भाई मुझे किसी और से कंपेयर नहीं करना. स्पेशली इस टाइम पे ना लगता है यार इसने तो इतने क्वेश्चंस किए, इसने तो इतने मार्क्स किए, मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो नहीं किया. इट्स ओके, you are you. You could have followed a different strategy, you may have been in different circumstances, you may have even just gotten distracted, but जो होगा सो होगा. In spite of that, if you are choosing to give this exam, do you realize how big a deal that is already? You have to realize it is only you who has to make yourself realize कि भाई I'm doing something big. Whatever the result may be, that is a secondary bonus part of what will happen. This itself has made me a better person, a stronger person. Okay, now like I said, I will tell you how to deal with questions that make you stuck, but before that, a pro tip: please eat a chocolate as long as you do not have diabetes. Basically आप उस chocolate से like you should not die, right? That's the point. So you eat a chocolate before each session. It just calms you down. That calming effect is really needed. Okay, वो खाओ. And sugar is not very good for your body क्योंकि sugar rush होता है, sugar drop होता है. That's why you have to eat it before the first session. Break में भी एक पूरा खा लो because it will keep you calm. It will give you that boost of energy which you will need on the exam day. This is a very underrated tip, but it works like magic. Number 2, before entering your first exam session, please have a word with yourself. आंखें बंद करो, ask yourself, have I done my best? Answer will come yes or no. If the answer is yes, acknowledge it and say, okay, ये last step है पूरा करते हैं. If the answer is no, accept it there only. Don't try to defend it, which you will not. जब अकेले होता है ना इंसान सच बोल देता है. Defend, accept it, and be like, okay, अब जो भी हो गया, we are already standing here, we have to cross this last line or at least try our best. So let's just do it. The moment you accept things in life ना, वो आधा burden निकल जाता है, because of which somewhere your mind stays slightly more balanced, which can help you pass the exam much more. You don't want to be overexcited, very happy, or be extremely underconfident or very anxious. You want to be as balanced as possible. Of course, थोड़ा डर सबको लगता है. Now, if you do not know a question on the exam day, जो होते हैं, even people who are very very well prepared sometimes find questions like तुम्हें जाता ही नहीं है, क्या है ये? First of all, it is a part of the syllabus. Okay, it is always a part of the syllabus. They will never not ask you anything out of syllabus. Number 2, try method of elimination. अगर तब भी नहीं आता है, do not spend too much time. Immediately mark something. जो भी घर से syllabus सोच के जाओ कि जो questions मुझे नहीं आते उसमें I'll put A, उसमें I'll put B, I'll put C. Just randomly mark it, flag it, and move ahead. Because there is no negative marking. And if you sit to think, then inky pinky ponky जब तब करोगे ना, it's a waste of your time. You need 100% focus. That will split your focus even a tad bit. Might as well remove that chance of splitting your focus. And वो घर से एक लेटर सोच के जाओ, वो मार्क कर दो, फ्लैग कर दो, मूव अहेड. Once your paper is done, first check the questions that you are confident of. Always play on your strengths. Check that because you don't want कि वहाँ पे कोई silly mistake हो because उसमें आप confident हो. Once that is done, then come and see those flagged questions and see, can I further think about this? It always helps. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Once again, all the best to each and every one of you. I don't know who has told you this. yet or not, but I am very, very proud of you because I genuinely know what it takes to be where you are, to sit and give an exam that is so damn uncertain, so damn costly, and that needs so much out of you. You know, like I said, it is something you just can't put to words. So, you guys are my people with a lot of guts, and I know that you will do well. And I hope you remember that whatever happens, good, bad, ugly, it will be the best thing to happen for you. Whether or not you realize it, hoga to acha hi. With that, we've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.